Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on all things product related. Today, we're diving into a must-have for lawn enthusiasts. The Kobalt 20 feet spool 0.065 inches trimmer line. If you're looking for the best replacement spool on the market, look no further. Let's get into why this trimmer line stands out. First off, what makes this Kobalt trimmer line special? It's designed for precision and durability, boasting a 0.065-inch cutting width that's perfect for maintaining your lawn with ease. Whether you're trimming around flower beds or along fences, this spool ensures clean, efficient cuts every time. Now, let's talk about its key features. The Kobalt trimmer line is crafted for reliability, featuring high-quality materials that enhance its lifespan. It's straightforward to install, compatible with the KST 120X string trimmer, making it a seamless upgrade for your gardening arsenal. In terms of performance, users rave about its durability, scoring an impressive 4.6 out of 5 in customer ratings for its longevity and resistance to wear and tear. Moving on to value for money, priced competitively at $17.99, the Kobalt trimmer line offers great bang for your buck. Sure, you might find cheaper options out there, but with Kobalt, you're investing in reliability and performance that won't let you down. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for a reliable replacement spool for your Kobalt KST 120X string trimmer, look no further than the Kobalt 20 feet spool 0.065 inches trimmer line. It ticks all the boxes: durability, ease of use, and value for money. It's no wonder it's a top choice among gardening enthusiasts. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews. Have you tried the Kobalt trimmer line? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, this has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching.